According to network sources, the new iPhone SE2, which is expected to appear next year, may receive the name iPhone 9. An informed source confirmed that the smartphone will be made in the same form factor as the iPhone 8. It is assumed that the device will receive a 4.7-inch display, as well as a modern A13 Bionic chip and 3 GB of RAM. Like the original iPhone SE, the smartphone will be deprived of 3D touch support, but will receive a home button with a built-in fingerprint scanner. Of course, the iPhone 9 is a more suitable name for the future smartphone, given that it is more likely the successor to the iPhone 8, rather than the iPhone SE. With a 4.7-inch display, the future smartphone will be larger than the 4-inch iPhone SE, which may disappoint people who prefer to use compact devices. According to reputable analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, an affordable version of the iPhone, no matter what its name, will cost about $399 in retail. He also predicted that the device will receive an internal drive with a capacity of 64 GB and will be available in color options space gray, silver, and red. Numerous reports regarding the future of the smartphone, which appeared in the past, indicate that it will be launched at the end of the first or beginning of the second quarter. Recall that the original iPhone SE was presented at the Apple event in March 2016. Therefore, it cannot be ruled out that the manufacturer will present the smartphone in the spring of 2020.